Morning friends. Today is something that I'm going to show you which is slightly different than what we post for our equity trades such as in Nifty. So I had carried an overnight position in US dollar, and I'll show you today's date just for your understanding and reference. Today, as you see, is basically Friday the 31st March. Okay, and it's 6:38 p.m. AM. I mean, I'm sorry. And so let me show you what I had done, and I'll explain the rationale as to why I did it also. Going back to my page over here. So as you see, I had around 2,515 pieces of US dollar INR lots. Okay, so this is a currency trade. I normally do this to hedge my positions, and I found a great buy that particular day, and my trade was actually executed on 28th of March because the markets were closed on account of Ram Navami, which was on again 30th. I actually did this, sorry, I mean not on 28th, it was on 29th because Ram Navami was the 30th, which was yesterday. I'll tell you why I did this also, and for this I can go back to the chart. Okay, this is basically the chart that we need to refer to over here. And now let's go back to that particular day. Okay, now this is the interesting thing which I wanted to show you guys. Okay, it was on 29th of March that I had bought this, and look at the formation of this particular candle over here. See this? In the downtrend over here, you see a hammer. In the downtrend on 29th of March 2023, you see a hammer. It was a green hammer, which means that the closing was higher than the opening. But look at the direction. Indian markets were closed on 30th of March, correct? Following price action over here. Look at this candle which was formed yesterday on Ram Navami, 30th of March. You see this? It's a red candle. It's a big, fat, thick red candle over here. You see this? Now, what this basically goes to show is that the opening price was higher than the closing. Now, and if you see how the dollar has been trending in the last few days, dollar has been in a downward direction. It has been in a downward direction. I already had my setup in place where I follow channels for break-ins and breakouts. But so far, I'm not even relying on a breakout. I don't even care if whether there's a breakout again. It's trading within the channel. You see between these two white lines, these two white trend lines, it's in a downward trend. Regardless of this, I took a risk. My risk was over here. As you see, yes, I'm holding it at a loss, but this is as per the data of 29th of March. 30th, the markets closed red, not green, in case of US dollar and INR. So, as the market opens at 9 a.m. today, I'm going to show you the vast difference as to why I took this overnight position. We are going to open green, I guarantee it. So stay tuned. This will be very interesting for everyone. Price action does wonders once you understand what is the direction, what is the trend, how candles behave, and we'll cover that later on. And if this seems interesting to you, do like, share, and comment. Okay, so as you see, the market just opened, and you can see the profit that we are at already. You can check the market just opened at 9 a.m. and this was the position that we carried overnight. It has opened at 21,606 profits, and I'm done with my USD trade for right now. So I'm exiting. So this is the power of price action that I showed you. Oh wow, while we're speaking, it's just at 40. Who knows, it might actually be a good day. because let's go back again to TradingView, and I'll show you what exactly is the position when it comes to USD. How far has it fallen? So yeah, as you see, it is within the channel, but it has basically closed below last day's price. So the prudent thing will be, whatever profits are there, I'll just leave with this. No point actually sitting and watching. Okay, I'm going to place my order at 375 because that's the ideal thing to do at this level, and exit. So I'm going to exit with my price right now. Go back to the order book. Anyway, so basically you get the idea. The order will get executed the way it's supposed to, and it made a high at around 0.05, but yeah, I'll just take my process at 3.0375. That's good enough for me. So anyway, that's the idea. So that's the power of actually holding this overnight. I just want to show you how this works so that you have an understanding, and we can still go back to price action, and I can just show you. So it's trying to recover, but it's way below the normal price range. So that's where things are right now. Anyway, thank you for tuning in, and hope you had good learning around this particular overnight position that we just showed you. So if you're more interested in upcoming currency trades, do leave it in the comments. We'll also post videos around currency trades as well. So have a nice day, and thank you for tuning in.